This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery replacement. Operate the bonnet release lever, which is located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet security catch by lifting it upwards, then raise the bonnet. Unclip the bonnet prop. Locate the prop to hold the bonnet securely in its open position. The battery is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment, as viewed from the driver's seat. Open the cover to gain access to the battery. Note that some models have an insulated cover. Loosen the clamp nut and disconnect the battery negative lead. Next, remove the positive lead's cover, then unbolt and disconnect the positive lead. Remove the battery surround. To prevent accidental reconnection, fit the terminal caps from the new battery or use a section of hose before removing the old battery. Remove the retaining bolt and battery clamp. Then lift the battery out of the vehicle. Be careful, it's heavy. Place the new battery into the vehicle and fix it in place with the clamp. Tighten the battery retaining clamp bolt. Refit the battery surround, reconnect the battery positive lead, tighten the retaining nut securely and refit the cover. Next, reconnect the negative lead and tighten the retaining nut. Apply petroleum jelly to the battery connections, then close the cover. Remove the bonnet prop from the bonnet. Clip the prop into its stay. Lower the bonnet and close it securely.